let the games begin? Oh, baby. Cause I'm ready. On your mark, get set, here we go. Check it.
I'm showing you my famous hangover burger that I cook. This is the ground turkey that I use to make the burger. I usually only use ground turkey in my house. I usually don't cook with ground beef, only ground turkey. So that's the first thing you're going to need. Whatever you usually cook with, beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, you're going to need that. Now it's time to season. Shout out to my cousin. She showed me this season. Well, she didn't show me how to season food, but basically she gave me a tip on how she seasoned her food, and I've been seasoning my food ever since. So I just like my food with a bunch of seasonings. So when I season my ground turkey meat, I use literally all the seasons in my pantry almost. So Mrs. Dash, this Cajun spicy all-purpose seasoning I use. And with this is more Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning, like spices. This is the garlic and herb all-purpose seasoning. Be flavorful. This is the the Caribbean jerk seasoning. And again, I don't measure. I just pretty much shake it until the guys tell me to stop. The cook guys tell me to stop. This is the garlic powder, Lawry's garlic powder. I love this garlic powder. I love this seasoning. I usually use it in everything that I season my food with. Season it the way I do. Carne asada seasoning. I add my minced garlic. So your minced garlic you're going to add. All right. And then once I got all my seasons in the bowl, then I start to mix them all together. So once I get the seasonings all mixed up together, I usually mix it with my hands. And then from there, I put them in patties. So I roll them in like little patties because they're going to be ready to cook. All right, so I've already rolled them in patties, and now I am adding them to the pan. I have a little bit of olive oil in the pan. You can use whatever oil you use, but I either use vegetable oil or olive oil when I get to this part to cook. Make sure your fire is not up too high. And you just place them in the oil like so. I usually flatten my burger patties so they can cook evenly in the pan. Again, this is optional. If you don't like doing this, you don't have to, but this is just how I do it. I usually flatten my burgers in the pan. And you're just going to let it cook on one side. It's called the hangover burger. And I'll show you in a little while why it's called that. They just let them cook. All right. Now that they're almost done cooking, I have cut up some red onions. I like grilled onions on my hangover burger. So this burger wouldn't be a hangover burger without grilled onions. So cut up some red onions. I put them in a pan with the meat and let them saute in the oil. All right, I add my cheese to the pan so it can melt over my burgers and get all those juices, honey, all them juices. And I pretty much let it melt over the patties while the onions are still being sauteed in the pot. It's melting, and that's the end part. The red onions are sauteed. The cheeseburger cheese is melted. Now I was trying to assemble this burger. I have buttered my buns and toast them. I have a piece of, I have them put mayo on the buns. I have a piece of tomato. I have a piece of lettuce, the ground turkey patty, then the red onions. I'm doing a double hangover burger. So we got to have a second patty to do the double burger. So that's the second patty. The second piece of bread. All right. So after you layer it, I forgot to add the barbecue sauce. So I'm going back to add barbecue sauce. So I took it off. All right. That is the over easy egg. You got to have an egg for the hangover burger. That's me adding Baby Ray's barbecue sauce over the grilled onions. And then I'm going to assemble it again with the second bun, the middle bun. All right. That's another ground turkey patty. We got some more barbecue sauce. This burger is sloppy. That's why it's called a hangover burger. Add more lettuce. It's a sloppy burger. You're just going to put it all on there. You're going to put it all on there. There go the egg. See, I had a problem with putting it together because it's a hangover burger. So you just put it all on there. The egg and the top bun. All right, this is how it looks after it's been assembled. A double hangover burger with egg, grilled onions, lettuce, tomato, barbecue sauce, and cheese. And this is how it looks. Ooh, look at that egg dripping. Ooh, 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 ooh. I can't wait to bite in this. I fried some fresh French fries with it also. And that's how the burger looks. This is the hangover ground turkey burger. Delicious. The egg brings the whole burger together. I tell you, this is just a treat. All right. Thank you for cooking with me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.